Carry on clapping.
Respected teachers, all beloved students, and all those who are present here. In the first place, I extend a very warm and hearty welcome to all of you to the occasion of the Arts and Science Exhibition 2025 at Don Bosco School, Galanja, Burdunsa. So very elaborately and brightly introduced all our guests here, and therefore I will enter into that part. But on behalf of the school, the managing committee, and all the staff and students here, I officially take this occasion to welcome all of you to this event of the school, the Arts and Science Exhibition. Our students have worked along with their teachers for the past almost 2 months, preparing the various exhibition projects. And today it's their pride, it's our pride to exhibit it before all of you. And I also would like to take this occasion to congratulate our staff and students for the innovation, for the creativity, and for the inventiveness that they have exhibited through the various projects. Once again, thanking Sir Suraj Guru, our ADC Sir, for availing himself this morning in spite of his busy schedule. And he is to leave soon for some work to Tinsukia and some other place, and yet he made it a point to be with us. Thank you, sir, for being with us this morning. And also to our Jilla Parishad member, sir. I am seeing him for the first time, though I had gone to meet him in his home. He was not there, nobody was there, but happy to meet him today. And thank you, sir, for having come. And I also would like to wish all the houses and all the students all the best for today, and congratulate you once again for all what you have done. Thank you very much, respected sirs, for being here, and have a wonderful morning.
Thank you, Father, for having introduced today's gathering. Now once again I request our principal to welcome our chief guest and the guest of honor with the traditional
for arranging this program and inviting me, giving me the opportunity for witnessing this program as a chief guest. Actually, science exhibition means you are displaying various projects, schemes in arts and science. It's not a mere displaying or exposing your projects. It's the pleasant moment for you all to inculcate the habit of innovative ideas, curiosity in you for thinking something new. As you know, Sir Isaac Newton, he was sitting just below the tree, apple tree, and he saw that one apple was falling down. Then some thinking, some instigation came into his mind that why this apple fall downwards and not upwards. This simple movement, this simple scenario that struck him very nicely and accurately, and thinking over it, he finally came to the conclusion that it's the gravitational pull. It's the gravitational pull of the earth that attracts the apple downwards and hence it is not moving upwards. So not only in earth, in moon also we are having gravitational pull, gravitational force, but that is 1/4 of our earth. You know this, the electricity, the mic which I am using, and the electricity, the Thomas Alva Edison, he invented electric bulb. It was an incident for him. To get it into it, he thought, he worked on it for several years. Then after he invented the electric bulb. Exactly in the same way, there are so many things are there in our surroundings. So not only the science faculty, but in arts also. Since your exhibition program is not only for science, your exhibition program includes arts also. So in arts, you see the creativity. Suppose if you are sitting nearby a pond, nearby a river, then if you think you can inculcate new things, new innovative ideas, and you can compose poems. You see, the books, the poems which anybody writes or composes, that becomes only books and poems. But the inside the poem, the energy, the source of energy and the source of thinking of ideas is very effective. So that part also might be showing in the exhibition of arts section also, but I have not yet seen. So I am also very much curious to see your science exhibition and arts exhibition. Means what are the items that you have inculcated or that you have arranged for today's program, that I am very much anxious to see your program, your efforts, and at last I thank all the teachers and students who put their efforts for months together to organize these programs. At the final stage, as our father said, that you took near about 2 months to get it prepared. So naturally, it will be the finest program today that we will be witnessing today. And at last, I thank all the teaching, non-teaching staffs, students of this Vidyalaya to invite me to witness this program as a chief guest. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. At the very outset, most respected Additional Deputy Commissioner Golden Sir, S. Gurung Sir, our beloved Principal Sir, Father of Don Bosco Gilan Sir, respected teachers, other faculty members, my dear students. ये थर्ड टाइम है मेरा यहाँ डॉन बॉस्को में आप लोग का साथ में प्रोग्राम में शामिल होने का जो मौका मिला है. लास्ट टाइम ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ फादर माइकल आई अटेंडेड द चिल्ड्रन डे हियर. बच्चों बहुत अच्छी तरह से अपना एंथुसिज्म जो डांस ड्रामा जो दिखाता है वाकई बहुत एप्रिशिएबल है. हमेशा डॉन बॉस्को में ऐसे एक्टिविटीज हम लोग देखते आए हैं. लास्ट ईयर आई गॉट द चांस टू बी पार्ट ऑफ वन एग्जीबिशन इन डॉन बॉस्को राजानगर. दिस टाइम इज गोइंग टू बी साइंस कम आर्ट्स एग्जीबिशन. इट्स रियली वेरी गुड बिकॉज simply by academic is not sufficient for our living life. Side by side, we need to have some exhibition also, science, arts, and many other things that are surrounding our life. मैं इसी मौका में बच्चों को एक छोटी सी मैसेज देना चाहूँगा. क्योंकि हम लोग एक आज का बच्चा है, आज का युवा है, कल का आप लोग लीडर होंगे, आप लोग ही ऑफिसर होंगे, आप लोग के बीच में साइंटिस्ट होंगे, फादर होंगे, मेनी मोर. इसीलिए अपना जो राइट एंड ड्यूटीज ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है. क्योंकि बैकबोन ऑफ द नेशन इज यू गाइस. जितने भी बच्चे हैं आज कल को आप लोग ही इस नेशन बिल्डिंग में आप लोग ही सहयोग देंगे. आप लोग का जो काम करने का तरीका है वही हमारा देश होगी. इसीलिए हेल्दी प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर आवर गुड नेशन. खास करके अक्सर ये दिखाई देता है ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ वेकेशन. आई थिंक सब लोग वेकेशन अच्छा लगता है स्टूडेंट्स. हाँ, लेकिन उसको उपयोग भी करना है. हम लोग जा करके सिर्फ टूर वेकेशन में सिर्फ खेलकूद ही नहीं, अपने माँ बाप को भी सपोर्ट करना है कि नहीं? राइट? क्योंकि अपने माँ बाप को सपोर्ट करने से हम लोग का एक तो बिल्डअप होता है, एक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिल्डअप होता है. तो वही चीज को दिखाई देता है कि हम लोग का जो राइट एंड ड्यूटीज, हम लोग राइट तो अक्सर सुनते आते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग का ड्यूटी क्या है, रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, वो हम लोग बहुत कम ही सोचते हैं. तो ये सोचना बहुत जरूरी है. मेरा एक दरख्वास्त रहेंगे जितने भी मेरे प्यारे बच्चों वेकेशन में जाते समय में आप सभी कोशिश कीजिए एक गाछ लगाने के लिए अपना आंगन में, इफ नॉट एटलीस्ट किचन गार्डन. आप देखिए यहाँ कितना हरा भरा दिखाई देता है. द ग्रीन विडोज इटसेल्फ सूट आवर हार्ट. यहाँ में कदम रखते ही ऐसे लगता है कि इट्स वेरी हेल्थी एनवायरमेंट. किस लिए है? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ग्रीन विडोज, द ट्रीज अराउंड हियर. ये हेल्थी एनवायरमेंट है. ये चीज हम लोग का अपना अपना घर में, अपना गांव में, अपना ये इलाका में हमेशा बनाए रखना है. स्कूल में हम आप जो दिखाई देता है वो एक तो हम लोग का सीखने के लिए यही चीज हम लोग को घर तक, गांव का बस्ती तक ये लाना है. क्योंकि एनवायरमेंट ठीक नहीं होगा, कल का फ्यूचर अधूरा हो जाएगा. आप लोग सुना होगा ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, सुना है ना आप लोग? एवरीवन रिगार्डिंग ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. तो किसका रेस्पॉन्सिबल बनता है? सिर्फ सरकार का? नो, each one of us, हम सभी का दायित्व बनता है, हमारा जो ये आर्ट है इस पृथ्वी को हेल्दी रखने के लिए हम लोग का सभी का कर्तव्य बनता है। इसलिए ये प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन आप लोग को मैं दरख्वास्त करता हूँ। आज इसी सभा में जो मौका मिला है, आप सभी को इंटरेक्शन जो करने मिला है, मैं आप लोग को ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, आप सभी करेंगे? ओके, थैंक यू। तो मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा। मैं फादर ने भी हम लोग का एकेडमिक मैनेजिंग कमेटी है, टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, जितना भी आज इस प्रोग्राम को मेहनत से जो अभी रिजल्ट लाने जा रहा है, इसके लिए आप सभी को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। और हम लोग खुश नसीब है, हम लोग का एडिशनल डिप्टी कमिश्नर साहब हम लोग का साथ में आज चीफ गेस्ट के तौर पे यहाँ में मौजूद है। मेरा भाई वो जीपीसी साहब आप लोग का मैनेजिंग कमेटी में ही है, बहुत साइलेंट बात, बहुत डेडिकेटेड आदमी है, वो साथ दे रहा है। तो आप सभी को मैं फिर दोबारा धन्यवाद देते हुए मेरा शब्दों का विराम देता हूँ। जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir, for inspiring your thoughtful message and speaking about the importance of learning and being putting into practice in our life. I am sure all of us are curious to explore the science and art exhibition. Am I right? Yes. So shall we proceed? Yes. So now may I invite Father Reggie to lead our chief guest and guest of honor to inaugurate the science and arts exhibition. As the
Those who are in the part here.
You have different motions, why? The original one that I could have taken. Fine.
video.
This one for me. This two. This is for what? Pretty sir.
Some pork making machine.
Yes, sir. I done this great details.
And here is our Lakshya, and here is Singjang Dong.
Which flower you like the most?
I am.
In which class you are studying? Class 7. Huh? Do you know the chemical formula of water?
What is this?
Parts of water. Okay. You are
Pictures of art surface.
Yeah.
Of river Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Point number 2. The Hydrogen. Hydrogen is also known as Indian largest desert. It lies in Rajasthan, Central.
Your program is group number 24. Yellow house. It is yellow house. Okay. What is this? What is your going to explain? Here. Explain it. Yes.
No. I am the guest of honor now.
Here our son Adam, guest of honor arriving now. Please all of you click. Guest of honor is just arriving now with clicking the news. Now sir is going to be asked the different questions to you.
Yes.
So please get ready.
Here we have Sir Gupta.
Here one another guest.
So when electricity flows through a pipe, it creates an electromagnetic field. And when this receiver coil it comes in contact with its electromagnetic field, it starts to flow.
EMF. Induced current.
It can we can go there. This distance can push the water being for the pressure. Then distance can push this. Then it's not reduced by this part is broken. This one is for the gathering and right now.
So in nutshell, welcome sir. This project is about the rotate starship. Built by this spaces company by Elon Musk. And this rocket is divided in two stages. This down stage is known as the Super Heavy, and the upper one is known as Starship. And this rocket, usually what it does is it goes up. It doesn't reach this space, but it reaches this stratosphere, and from there it divides. It lifts Starship in the space and lifts its head.
The peninsula plateau is vast like raindrops are coming and changing. After precipitation takes place. In precipitation, it is a form of water. It is a form of water that falls on the earth's surface. After precipitation, the water goes up to the land and food. And in transpiration, plants absorb water from the roots and transport it to other parts of the land and produce as a water vapor. In leaves, there are small holes in the stem.
Morning, evening, afternoon.
The flower is known as petal. This is sepals. Sepals protects the innermost part and ovary contains ovum. This filamental structure is present here. Anther is known as the uppermost part. Thank you for
Yes. What is all about life cycle of crop?
Yes.
Any idea? Then once how many eggs is the produce? Any idea?
Around 100.
Around 100.
Yes, 100.
Does all the 100 survives?
No.
That is not it. What is the root cause of not surviving?
Because the water organisms like fish, crabs, they eat the eggs.
Then? Do they require special water if they require?
No. No.
They can survive in any water.
Except salty water.
Access to this water.
As group number 18.
Okay.
May I have your question?
Yes, let me observe first. This is the planet, no? This sir? Size.
Yes.
It takes to complete the rotation.
Earth takes 1 year.
Huh?
Earth takes.
The other planets?
Mercury takes 88 days to
88.
complete one orbit,
Okay.
and Venus takes 6 months. 6 months to complete one orbit, and Earth takes 365 days to complete one orbit. Mars takes. Among these all planets, only Earth is known as the blue planet, and it only supports life. When liquid gets heated, then it is converted into gas.
Group 1. You're taking a face, no? When they explain?
Yes.
Yes, like this.
Now.
You must take and take the things, okay? Down on the plate.
Don't block this. Don't block. Don't block the way. Which class? Yes, the class already went away, na? What are you doing here? What's your class? Go that way. Aditya, go from that way.
Yes.
So, I'm the speaker. And I'm the assistant. So, today we are here to present the structure of the tooth. So, this is the structure of the tooth, which is mainly composed of enamel, dentine, pulp, cementum, nerve, gums, and bones.
Senior, this is Siddharth.
Yes, sir. So, enamel is the hardest substance in the whole human body. Enamel is composed of hydroxyapatite, also known as the calcium phosphate. It is the first layer. Sir?
Can you tell me what are the functions of this cell?
So this is the incisor, this is the canine, and this is the premolar, and this is the molar. So incisors are mainly 8 in number and are used 8 in number and are mainly used for tearing the food. The canines sit next to the incisors, and which also helps in biting and tearing the food. And the premolar sits after the canines. It helps in further biting and tearing of food for proper digestion, and also is used for proper pronunciation. And the molars sit next to the premolars, which also helps in biting the food.
Which is the most important?
All teeth are equal.
Most important, which is now that you cannot remember.
Most important is the incisors, because without it we can't tear the food, and incisors also help in the speaking and pronunciations. Thank you, sir.
Yes, good morning. All record of irrigation.
One is all method of irrigation. Another one is modern method of irrigation. These two are all methods of irrigation. In olden times, we don't have motor, so we do this way, and as you noted this, the water is supplied by the and this one is well irrigation. From well, we supply water to the ground. Modern method of irrigation. It is also known as the water is
Which is best, modern irrigation or all method irrigation? Why?
It supplies drop by drop the roots of the because it supplies one drop by drop the roots of the
Is there any side effect with the modern irrigation? Good to the house?
Red House. Red House.
Red house. Group
17.
17.
Red House.
Okay. What is the topic? Structure of our ear. Yes, let's see.
The air is divided into 3 parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. When the sound enters the middle ear, it is also known as air gathers or external auditory methods. And when the sound goes and steps, the air drum, it vibrates due to the sound wave, and it passes through these tiny bones. Together, this is also known as oscillus. This one is known as melus, and this is known as incus, and this is known as step.
Okay, that's good. My question is, what is this one? Eardrum, no? And dirt comes there, no? So where does it come?
From this pollution or the outside, our surrounding, which is present in there. When we go outside, then the dust enters the ear. But because of the air, the hair, small hair present in the ear, don't allow them to go inside.
But that particular dirt, you know, it doesn't become like a dust, doesn't become like a powder. But it becomes like a liquid chutney type, no? What could be the reason behind this?
I don't know, sir.
You don't. But correct, no?
Yes.
You are saying does comes, this and that comes. Yes, well, good. But inside, how will it become chutney?
Because tomato enters our body when we bath and all.
Will it block it? Will it block?
If we don't clean our hair. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Good morning. Okay, already I think I have heard about your greenhouse, no? Can you name small episode of this one? How about name this one? Any idea? Huh? Huh? What is that about? What is there any benefit of this plant? Any advantage? What medicine? There were other plants where you did not follow. You find that those both the pohon sports this plant, no? Any reason behind? You have a plant in a garden. Hello. Don't cut their hair, okay?
We are from Yellow House. I'm speaker, and then
No idea.
today we are here to present.
Yeah, this is like a medicinal plant, no? In case you can cut, not just squeeze it and put it on capsules. So there is no time to stop the bleeding, no? Maybe you try it. What does that mean? Yes. One of them. Okay. Very good. Greenhouse, no?
Where one parent cell is converted into two identical human cells. So when we start from interface is also known as the nesting phase of the parent cell. In the parent cell, actually there are two chromosomes. These two chromosomes are released to the prophase, which DNA is incomplete, means it will replicate one of its chromosomes. So it will form like X-like structures, which are called sister chromosomes. The sister chromosomes are released to the metaphase, which will the sister chromosomes will move to the central
I can't understand.
Centrioles and spinal fibers will connect this sister chromosomes and when it comes to the anaphase, this sister chromosomes X-like structure will form X-like structures, which moves to the opposite poles of each other. And this anaphase will move to the telophase, where one curve is form of a curve form of the so this curve will go bigger and bigger and last for two identical numbers.
Why did you choose this one?
We want to get that because evidence from biology because many of the students have taken topic from another subject physics and all. So we want to take from biology and show this process in a simplest form.
Did you learn anything?
Yes, sir.
Will you put into practice in your life?
Yes, sir. It's applied in biology, sir. It's practical lab.
So good morning, sir. In our house, we use these wires now, but these wires get messed up and coil out sometimes, and it is very difficult to arrange them back. But there is a way. We can transfer electricity without wires also. Now, as you can see here, there is no wire connected to this, right? But when I switch it on, this wire is connected. So it seems like magic, but it's actually not magic, but it's science. So when electricity passes through this transmission coil, it creates an electromagnetic field around it. And when this wire, receiver coil, comes in contact with the electromagnetic field created by this, it starts to glow because the electricity is passed through the electromagnetic field.
The area that covered, how far can you know how the distance that covering?
No, actually, it doesn't have a fixed distance. It depends on various factors such as the amount of electricity applied to the transmitter coil, the number of turns made in this coil, and also the thickness of this coil. This is just a small scale demonstration of showing how a wireless power transfer works.
These people are using.
Yes. Nowadays, they are also using in road. They are putting this in road, and when this electric car passes through the road, the electric car gets charged while driving. And also, this is used in wireless chargers.
Project name is hydraulic pressure. So in this project, we try to make a hydraulic crane. So hydraulic crane is a machine that made our work very in less time and very efficient for us. It's mainly for rescue operations in mountains area. There is landslide, then we use this for rescue. Yes, sir. It starts to the colorful water. So water, if we push that distance, the pressure is gained and then it will move. Can you demonstrate? This is a working project. Just in this, just we level the land, not digging. Advantages are for rescue operations, for construction sites. We can use. Is it affordable for the local common people? It is not affordable because it is highly demanded. So it is for highly demanding people.
This kind of
So in this card we leveling its parts. Thank you, sir. Good. Thank you, sir.
Morning, welcome, sir. This rocket is designed by SpaceX, and the founder of this SpaceX is Elon Musk. So now I'm going to draw about this rocket. This rocket is fully known as Starship, but there are two stages actually. This first part is the only first part known as Starship, and the second part is known as Super Heavy. And so I will tell about the Super Heavy now. The second or first stage of this rocket, Super Heavy, contains propellant. And what is propellant now? This propellant is the mixture of methane gas and liquid oxygen. So as we know that methane and liquid oxygen, when they mix together, gives a normal thrust to this ground. And with the principle of action and reaction, when that thrust to the ground, it will get out. It will go out. So in this Super Heavy, there are only amount of propellant, fuel, methane gas and oxygen, liquid oxygen given so it may go up and come back. So after going up, now the star shape. After going up,
What are distance courses, sir?
this will only go to this stratosphere. This downward part will go to stratosphere, and this starship will make 2 circles of Earth and get out of the gravitational and put this satellite out of this gravitational pull of Earth. And this satellite will go to Mars, give us information about the atmosphere, temperature, and elements which are is present in Mars. And this Starship is the largest rocket in this whole world, this whole Earth. So, as we know that Elon Musk has plans to send people to Mars and make people live in their Mars. So, he just make this rocket so big that it can carry so many people to Mars and make a living there.
Which Mars power is?
To Mars. Well, but now it has not that facility to take people to Mars. But for now, it only sends information by making satellites to Mars. Thank you for visiting.
So transportation is a system of carrying goods and people from one place to another. And there are 3 means of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. In land transport, there is 5. One is road transport and air transport. And road transport is the most common transportation. And she's going to explain about regular train and our walking model. This regular train is newly introduced in Shanghai, China, and US division. But in India, there is no regular train. And regular train is used by the principle of non-contact caused by the light force of magnet. We know that the light force of magnet are repel each other. So we have keep here magnet, and here we have keep magnet, light force of magnet. So we have keep magnet, and it will flow in there. So it will flow in there, and so the train will travel in there by the force of light force of the magnet. So by using the complete system control and fuel, they will move on in there by the in very speed, more speed because it reduces friction. So here we don't have any complex control systems. We just normally use by simple physics, simple machine, and we have used
So which is the best means of transportation?
according to
Common people. For the common people, the best means of transportation?
road transportation. Because in road transportation, we have newly introduced the eco-friendly, we have newly introduced electrical vehicles. So it is more preferable for other future for safe environment.
Very good. Well done. Which house?
Seven.
Great house. Good, well done.
How we are born in our mother. To form a new individual, we need sperm. The sperm which is produced by the male reproductive organ, which is the smallest egg in human being. And the ovary is produced by the female reproductive organ, and this is the largest cell in the body. And to form, so during the sexual intercourse, millions of sperm enter into the female reproductive tract to the uterus and again fallopian tube. In that fallopian tube fertilization process, among millions and millions of sperm, only one sperm can fertilize with. That process, the fusing from male and female gametes and fertilization. After fertilization, cell division takes place. The cell division is meiosis cell division. Meiosis means diploid cell divided. Diploid means 2. After that 4. After that 8. 8 after that, 16 and 17. And after 1 band, the set, over set, that over set start shaking here. So, this one is our head, our hand, our leg. And after 2 man and half, start forming our hand and 4 man. After 4 man, we can modify that. After 5 men, we can modify either and rest or upwards. And after 280 days, after fully the blood of the embryo,
Just one question. How does this twins take place?
It is because of two hormones, because of two hormones present in our mean that there is no menstruation cycle. Actually, in one man, every 1 man, either this side or this side will or one end. And then at the same time, when some pressure or any other affected is affected, and at the time it is in there, at the time as well as at the time.
What do you say this by luck or willingly I get it? What do you say this by luck they get twins or it's willingly or willingly? Willingly. So they willingly they get okay. Whether it is willingly or anything about it? Does people get their twins or they just by the God's grace they have twins? Okay. Very good, well done. Faisal. Yes, what is this? Yes, DNA. What is the DNA? Yeah, just a little bit.
There is nucleus. Inside this nucleus, some fermenting fibers are present. During cell division, these chromosomes change into chromosomes, and these chromosomes combine and start.
Why did you choose this topic?
Now,
What made you choose this?
because it is a complicated, big, complicated
Now it is. Say it okay. So what you don't know, you want to take up and you learn. That's good. That is advantage. What you know and if you do, that doesn't give any learning. Good, keep it up, okay? Well done. Are you putting some chemicals? What are you putting?
So the
Magic.
But movie doesn't let put
We will come, don't worry. We are the experience. No? Good, well done, okay? Come on. Blue house.
Hello sir, welcome.
Yeah.
So, our topic is about animal cells. So, cells are the basic structure and functional unit of our life. And human bodies made up of almost 30 to 40 billion cells. So, they are divided into two parts, plants and animal cells. So, our topic is about animal cells. The structure of animal cells, plant members, cytoplasm members. Let me explain one another.
Okay, just a minute. Sorry for interrupting. This animal cell and human cell, is there any connection?
Humans are also called as one of the animals. So animal cells are also present in humans. Means our body also has this type of cells. If I ask about plant cells and animal cells, I can say. But human cells are usually animal cells, so they don't have any difference. Any further questions?
Okay, very good, well done. Okay. There are different types of cells, different
Plant
structures.
cells and animal cells.
Huh?
There are different types of cells, yeah. Like plant cell, animal cell. There are also cells, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic. Eukaryotic have a lot of bacteria in them, but prokaryotic don't have it. So prokaryotic are usually present in plants and eukaryotic bacteria or bacteria are present in animals.
Okay, good. Very good. You are the main hero. You are the main hero. Group 10, no? What is the topic? Yes, little bit of process of your digestion system.
By this experience of the teeth, the food is fluid every. By the saliva it is moist. The saliva released by the saliva glands. And the moist food is then goes to the esophagus to the stomach. In the stomach, the liver and pancreas releases digestive cells which break down the food into a liquid substance called like. The bile is then goes to the small intestine. The small intestine absorbs nutrients present in the bile. The remaining nutrients and energy are then absorbed by the large intestine and in the rectum, the waste product pieces are temporarily stored and through the energy waste products are
Just one question. What could be the reason for the upset of the stomach? When you take any food, sometimes stomach gets upset, no? What could be the reason behind? Any idea? Sometimes it becomes no. Sometimes stomach is upset, no, right? Yes or no? Huh? Yes or no? Hello? What is the reason behind? Huh? You can find out.
sometimes cannot digest sometimes and it big pieces.
So whose part of the body reacts? Then becomes upset. What is the sensitive one? What is the special something is approach?
Once the response are very
Firstly, our lenses are being used in different optical objects. Yes. So firstly, what are lenses? Lenses are translucent devices.
I know you're going to explain briefly. What is the purpose of this one?
It's for this looking over. Which we can't see. Our sight is blocked. It helps us to see over the obstacles.
Does it useful?
It is using tanks and submarines. Huh? Tanks fighting. Tanks and submarines.
So really useful.
It's a navigation. You can try it. It's so below. It's very over there, you can see. Yes. Compared to the complex which uses prism for reflection. And it uses concave mirror. This is 45 degree on each side for right reflection. It helps us see the distance of the like from the space like our topic is about ozone layer depletion. But about ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion is when the Earth survives the high concentration of the gas ozone orbit and it is a molecule. And this ozone layer forms when the UV radiation from the sun splits down and the molecule of oxygen molded into two individual oxygen atoms. This ozone layer is also important because it protects all life on Earth by absorbing the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Now,
I know you know very well, but you have learned a lot.
yes, sir. The pollution, yes. Huh? This causes full for this.
Which part easily affects?
Huh?
Which part of the body easily affects?
This skin cancer and this.
Right.
I will explain it. Depletion. Now I got depletion. This.
Okay. I will let you run something. I know. You have prepared well. Very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well done. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
15.
Yes.
Which house? What is the topic of yours?
Structure of atom.
Atom. What is atom?
Atom is the structure and function unit of matter. And is discovered by Ernest Rutherford. It was discovered by an experiment of full-scale experiment.
Well done. You're alone or what? Are you alone? Come faster. Come faster.
This is Chakma culture, and we belong from Tuhas. This is group number 4. These are cultural things of Chakma culture, and these two are musical instruments. We used to play this on Biju, and these are ornaments of women. This is known as Tiksora, and this is known as Himachal. We used to carry the chest. It is made of money. These are costumes of boys. Usually Chakma people, they used to wear this red and blue and black, na? But nowadays they used to wear, women they used to wear many types of colorful dresses like this, and there are many colors, but these are original colors.
What is the most important aspect of Chakma?
We celebrate 13 we call it as Full Biju, and 14 we call it as Full Biju, and 15 we call it as our New Year. Na? So we celebrate Biju because Chakma people they think it as, describe it as Biju or New Year of Chakma people.
Okay, very good. Well done. Okay. Good. Which tribe? Huh?
Apart from the botanic community of our country, the majority of the research are in the district of West Siang, East Siang, Upper Subansiri, etc. And their villages are mainly located in the and here they are where the farming is. And their languages are Afghani, Burman, and these are the
What is specialty here?
This is called Atak, and it is during the festival of for food harvesting.
The popper? Popper is a beer.
This is the process it is called apong.
Apong. Just little bit drink. When do you eat it?
This is made up of maize rice. It is payuksi. This is called wayang. It is made up of green leaf. It is made of colored rice. And this is amit. It is also made up of maize rice. And chicken. These are the all ornaments of colored rice. And these are the foods. It is called dako in Galo language. And this is called toge. And it is used for the carrying the object. And this is called again milk. And it is used for the cleaning the rice.
Okay, very good. Well done. Keep it up, okay? Later on. Or remove or not?
This is yam, no yam. Akunin at the ginger. This is bamboo plant, small one, no? And this is yam plant, very nice. I made this.
Mixing something.
Very spicy. But this is nice, simple. With akunin on the side. This is.
Or getting very good for this one.
Huh?
Or getting very good for this one. This one do you do?
That is real kit.
Beginning of the nice
Here, here, here.
Huh? Is okay. Very good.
You better sit up this one. Nana, sir. Where is one? One second.
Yes. More penny. And this is for what?
This is also there. This also is this one. This is Meru what you know.
Hello?
Before the error, just this one.
Okay, very good. Good collection. Please go to her. Yes, tell us what is all this. Is it local or?
And mostly they use these things. And we also this leaf we use in medical purpose.
This is what color?
This is called patna.
Huh?
And this is sikar.
Chicken.
This is called
Ikannya apa tahu? Here is a rice.
No rice. Here is
Apam.
fish curry.
Fish curry.
Fish curry and here rice here. And here is egg, 3 eggs and fish. This veg is used to carry the points, 3 points to their different houses.
Okay. These are the special items of your company. Simple, sorry.
And apple, elephant apple and fish.
Oh.
And this is pork, and this is tomato and fish. And this is our traditional dish. Here still can see that patang
Lungi and the Mekla.
Very good. Now your dress. Good. Well done. Okay.
Sir, we are today presenting the Assamese flag. So the history of Assamese, to give you the history of Assam itself. It was started on 4th century with an ancient kingdom known as Kamarupa Kingdom. Kamarupa Kingdom was the first historical kingdom of Assam. So here we have got many dresses of Assamese. This is known as Mekla Chador, which is worn by women. Like I'm wearing this Mekla, and this is known as Chador, and this dhoti. Dhoti is worn by men. Next, gamusa. Gamusa is used by both men and women. And we have made some items. This is known as add some jaggery. In Assamese, jaggery is known as gur. And we have put curd. In Assamese, is known as doi. And this is known as hando. And this is known as hash. It is a rice here made up of sticky rice. In Assamese, is known as bora salt. And it's known as tel.
I will go to another place almost time, I think. Anyway, nice to see. What is the result? Thanks.
Rice beer.
Rice beer. You can try. Very good. Well done. Okay. Come. Huh?
This is mainly for hunting. Can you mention about the difference this regarding about this one,
Do you look like Arvind?
operating proxy also can use.
Okay,
Very nice.
You take the photo of her. Adivasi girl. Say something.
Thank you.
Side to this side, this
What do you do this one?
when we are worshiping God, when we are
What special? Chicken special. What is the chicken?
And the most unique food of the culture is muri kondi, made up of fish head and rice and potato. So you can
Yes, very nice. Okay, nice decoration. Take
Orang so nene nene sa dito may kanang isa. Kate kate. Bana man sila de kapala de din.
That's something there.
You want to taste something, sir?
Yes, money here?
This we call don't pedisa in our language. This we call don't pedisa in our language.
Don't pedisa.
Yes, and this on that day one festival is there we call Korba. We take this in one various house where member is more, and not only one member, every member put money according to their choice, and we take registry in temple and offer to mom with prayers, and in place of that we will get back blessing.
By putting here, you will get more money? By putting money here, what you give, no? Are you going to collect back or to remain there? You will go to mom. Mom will make use. This is what, Rajatuli?
Yes. So you get this.
I will come. Huh? That's all we have seen. Risky. Honesty. Let's take some video. Take this one. Huh? Take nicely. Very good.